BluntCut MetalWorks, February 12, 2017. I got a partial tank, got a chopper, I make two of it. And this is CPM 15V, which is have a very high carbine. I mean, it has 3.4% of carbon. So it's the same amount as CPM Rex 121, except they have more vanadium here. Anyway, the thickness is really thick. I mean, Niagara Metal Specialty Metal make this as a gift to me, and for this experiment. Anyway, so this blade is 7-inch long right here, and the edge geometry for this test, well, I suppose to start out with more obtuse, I mean thicker, but I was testing and I hit this screw, and I got a little chip right there, and so it went up a little bit. Anyway, so that so I end up with the geometry is right now at 15 degrees psi and 15,000 behind the edge thickness. So it's very thin for this 70 Rockwell CPM 15V. And I made the extend handle here. If I hold it here, they give me the effective chopping of like a 10-inch blade, and they're going to be more like something, a lot more leverage. Not sure how that is going to go. And I sharpen it with DMT Fine, and it's workable. It's not man. This is well, whether or not this edge is going to get buckle and blow out, you know, is the objective of this test. So initially, I will hold here for shorter leverage and swing velocity. And this 2x4 here. And so I'm going to go chop 2x4 and then do something a little heavier. So that 2x4. Yeah, the screw from this piece of furniture here. This is oak. So I'm going to do here. That oak. And as you can see, so far so good. Hard to really see. I don't know, maybe the sunlight, I guess. Yeah. And so now I'm going to hold on for a little bit more leverage. Not very good blade control. Well, that's sure a lot more leverage, right? I don't think the handle is comfortable. Alright, is there anything nasty going on? If you can see chip that's visible, well, you know, then this is oak. So (15 degrees psi, 30 degree inclusive here, and 15,000 behind the edge. Is very thin for chopper and able to do things. So regular chopper you do about 20 degrees psi, and the 20 degrees psi would be like if I calculate out right, about 3.5 times stronger, stiffer edge. So this is very thin, and I'm looking for some damage, but so far I haven't damaged yet. So, and this is rosewood. I think it's Hondurans or TT, I think. Same as this handle maybe, but it's very hard, solid wood, and I'm going to see I can clean it through right here in one shot with full leverage. Well, it's shorter going through, and here is the wood, and it didn't break. Now I'm going to, I think I just pull my solder. I want to cross grain. It's a lot harder on the blade. I hit the handle. Wow, that was pretty bad. Okay, try it again. I hit right where the chip is. Right there. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I knocked the cover off the camera. So, though it's rosewood, actually I don't see any damage. Let me see up in there. Come on, enter. This paper got a little, there you go. There's a little hesitation, I don't know, but I don't see anything. Probably there's something on the edge here. Well, then I pull my shoulder with this kind of funky handle. Well, I'm going to inflict some damage, and I'm going to fix the chip anyway. So I'm going to chop some bone. This is pork bone. As you know, when going through here, for say, let's say the 52-100 steel, for example, when you go in with the Rockwell 65 or something, the ultimate strength it's about probably 2.6 or maybe even 3 gigapascal. But for this 15V with so much carbine and at this 70 Rockwell, the ultimate strength I estimate that it's probably about 6 gigapascal. So it survived the test you just shown purely on strength. And it doesn't flex much. It flex a little bit in the elastic zone, but if you go beyond that, you're going to yield. That means a chip. But as you can see, I chopped quite a thing with it, and no problem, and it didn't crumble or anything. All right. Well, let me see. Maybe I could chop it. Just get a knot real quick and see. Kept thinking about ending it, but I think maybe I go and do something by chopping at the chip at the knot. Well, anyway, thanks for watching.